In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to Google Forms. This is a handy feature when you want to control access to specific forms, especially for quizzes or confidential surveys. Let's dive right into it. Start by navigating to Google Forms. Once you're there, it's time to create your form. Go ahead and click to create a new form and give it a title that fits your needs. For this demonstration, let's call it Test with a Password. Enter a descriptive name so you'll easily remember the form's purpose later. Next, let's add a question to the form. Begin by typing a simple question like, "What is your name?" Click on the drop-down menu next to the default question type and select Short Answer. This setting allows respondents to enter text answers. Remember to mark this question as required to ensure everyone fills it out correctly. Now click the plus icon to add another question to your form. This is where we set up the password. Enter a question such as, "What is the password?" Once again, select Short Answer from the drop-down menu. Now, to implement the password feature, click on the three dots in the lower right corner of the question box and choose Response Validation. In the Response Validation options, click on the drop-down menu and choose Text. You will now type the desired password in the field provided, for instance, Test. Here, you can also add a custom error message to appear if someone enters the wrong password. For example, use Incorrect Password to alert users when an incorrect response is submitted. Remember to turn on Required for this question as well. After setting up the password requirement, it's time to add a new section to your form. Click on Add Section to create another part of the form that users can access once they enter the correct password. Give this section a title. Let's say Test 1. Within this new section, click the plus icon to add another question. Type a question for this section, perhaps something like, "What is 2 plus 2?" Again, select Short Answer from the drop-down menu. Now, you might want to give your form a test run to ensure everything works smoothly. Click on the eye icon to preview the form. Try typing an incorrect password first to confirm that the custom error message pops up. After verifying this functionality, input the correct password you set up earlier, such as Test, and hit Submit. Submitting the correct password will allow you to proceed to the next section and answer the follow-up question. Once you've successfully completed the entire form, you're all set. You've now created a Google form with a password-protected section, ensuring that only those with the correct password can proceed to the next part of the form. With this feature, you can safeguard sensitive parts of your surveys or quizzes effortlessly.